Hi, I'm Dr. Dale Sutherland, a functional wellness doctor. I specialize in helping people who have complicated or unresolved thyroid conditions. A question you should ask any practitioner you're thinking of working with is, do you do a full and complete blood chemistry analysis for your patients? In our office, we do a complete blood panel of all major systems and analysis of that blood work. When we are done going over your analysis, you will understand the positive and negatives of all your levels in the panel. It will not be a 5-10 minute talk where you get handed your labs with no explanation. We want you to understand your blood work and hormones and what it means for your health now and in the future. If the person that you are thinking of working with doesn't offer this type of blood analysis, you should explore other options of care. Contact my office today to schedule your consultation, and be sure to ask how you can attend a free seminar to learn more about helping unresolved thyroid symptoms. Thank you.